Sorry, talagang I just got surprised that you look different in a positive way.
Thank you.
What did you do?
So many people have been saying that parang gulat na gulat naman po kayo sa aking mukha. Char, hindi naman ako nagbago. Siguro po, slight changes sa lifestyle. And nag-focus din ako talaga on trying to better myself, for myself. And actually, i-comment ko din yung partner ko si Katie kasi siya din nagkaroon siya ng change in lifestyle. So, dahil lagi kami magkasama, nahahawa din ako, nahahawa ko siya. For the past 2 years, I've been working so hard in the gym. Practically live in the gym. And I tried to build a better relationship with food. So, I think it's helping.
Yeah.
Also, thank you,
Staying
Dr. Rabello. Thank you so much sa mga treatments. Thank you po, Hulog ng Langit. So, lahat po ng pwede kong gawin para gumanda, ginagawa ko po talaga.
Pero maganda ka naman even before.
Thank you
Pero
po.
you look much better now.
Thank you po. Yun po kasi yung goal ko. Gusto ko lang po mag-improve sana.
Thank you, Alexa.
Thank you po.
And